గోదావరి జిల్లా భీమవరం పేరు వినగానే గుర్తొచ్చే అనేక విషయాల్లో ముఖ్యంగా విద్యకు సంబంధించి డిఎన్ఆర్ కళాశాల, దంతులూరి నారాయణరాజు గారు కళాశాల పేరు మనకి జ్ఞప్తికి వస్తుంది. ఈ జల్లిసీమను విద్యాసీమగా మార్చినటువంటి స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధులు, విద్యావేత్త దంతులూరి నారాయణరాజు గారు స్వాతంత్రానికి పూర్వం ఇక్కడ ఈ కళాశాలను WG కళాశాలగా ఏర్పాటు చేసి గోదావరి జిల్లాల్లోనే కాక అటు శ్రీకాకుళం వరకు, అంటే భాగ్యనగరం నుంచి శ్రీకాకుళం వరకు, అనంతపురం నుంచి ఆదిలాబాద్ వరకు అనేక మందికి విద్యను అందించినటువంటి కళాశాల దంతులూరి నారాయణరాజు కళాశాల. ఈరోజు భీమవరంలోని కళాశాలల గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాం గనక దంతులూరి నారాయణరాజు గారి కళాశాలని మీకు పరిచయం చేయబోతున్నాం.
Dantuluri Narayanraju College was established in 1945 before Indian independence and was an offshoot of the national movement and Renaissance thinking. Being agrarian, the Godavari region had been kept out of higher academic activities in the pre-independence period. Sri Dantuluri Narayanraju Garu, a freedom fighter, an activist and a visionary, wanted to provide the uneducated rural masses with the hither to unthinkable and unreachable source for their overall development and welfare, that is higher education. That visionary, with the help of limited number of committed lieutenants and philanthropists, strived hard with a missionary zeal and realized the establishment of a college at Bhimavaram known as West Godavari Bhimavaram College in 1945. In 1964, it was renamed as Dantuluri Narayanraju DNR College in the memory of its founder. The introduction of the postgraduate courses in 1971 is a milestone in the history of the college. The infrastructure available in the college became an impetus for starting an engineering college.
DNR Association has started its engineering college in 2010 with 5 branches like Civil, Mechanical, EE, PC and CSE, each of 60 strength with a total strength of 360. So subsequently in 2011 the strength of the mechanical department is enhanced to 120. Later in 2012 this year we are happy to announce that we got the additional seats in CSC as well as ECE, apart from diploma in civil engineering and ECE and PG courses in civil engineering and CSC. Our intention is to make the students fit for their placements after completion of their degree. So apart from JNTK syllabus, we are proud to say that we are doing as well as we are planning to make the students be aware of different aspects required for the placements after they complete their final degree. And we have many ideas in future to make our students beneficial to the society in India as well as in abroad.
In the view of outstanding academic excellence maintained by the college since its inception, the college was conferred autonomy in the year 1987 by the University Grants Commission. It is a matter of a pride that DNR College has grown from strength to strength, achieved tremendous progress, and won the laurels of one and all under the most efficient and benign guidance of DNR College management since its inception. Of various office bearers and members of the college management, DNR College has reached the peak of glory. The erstwhile managements under the leadership of former presidents and the former secretary and correspondents Sri Dantuluri Narayan Raju Garu have contributed a lot for the tremendous development of the college. The newly elected governing body of the College Association under the young and dynamic leadership of Sri G.V. Narasimha Raju Garu, President, and Gadiraju Satyanarayan Raju Garu, Secretary and Correspondent, has been very actively striving for the further development of the college, and they are also planning to start new courses both at undergraduate and postgraduate levels. More than adequate infrastructural facilities such as furnished lecture halls, independent and well-equipped laboratories, one of the biggest and orderly maintained library consisting of about 75,000 books, a huge auditorium and a big playground with 8 running tracks, 2 tennis courts and a modern gymnasium, a basketball court with the international standards, etc. have been provided by the college management. Additional facilities such as Student Information Bureau, bookstores, canteen, post office, commercial bank, medical health center, etc. have been provided for the benefit of the student community. 2 big hostels, one for boys with about 1,000 intake capacity, are provided by the management for the benefit of students from far off rural places. In addition to these, a student-maintained hostel is also catering to the needs of some more students. Moreover, a new building called Subbaraju Bhavan, named after Datla Subbaraju Garu, was constructed to provide free lodging and boarding facility for about 250 non-scholarship meritorious students. For the benefit of the students who cannot afford regular college education, the college is hosting the Distance Education Center of Andhra University and also that of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University. DNR Performing and Fine Arts Association was established in early 60s. Since 10 years, consecutively participating in nationals representing Andhra Pradesh, and this year we won National Award at Mangalore. The only college entire Andhra Pradesh providing free education to all the students participating at national level. During 21st to 23rd February 2005, a peer team constituted by National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAC) visited the college. After thorough inspection, the peer team was very much satisfied with the academic excellence, infrastructural facilities such as building, laboratories, library, sports and games.
నేను ఈ కాలేజీలో ఇంటర్మీడియట్ వచ్చాను. అయితే ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో నేను ఇండివిజువల్ ఛాంపియన్ కొట్టడం జరిగింది ఇదే కాలేజీలో. ఈ కాలేజీలోనే నేను డిగ్రీ కూడా జాయిన్ అవ్వడం జరిగింది. అయితే నేను డిగ్రీ సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో ఇప్పుడు ఆంధ్ర యూనివర్సిటీ ఆల్ ఇండియాకి సెలెక్ట్ అవ్వడం జరిగింది. ఈ నేషనల్ మీట్ మంగళూరులో జరుగుతుంది. నేను ఈ కాలేజీలో జాయిన్ అయ్యి 4వ సంవత్సరం. అయితే నాకు ఈ కాలేజీ గ్రౌండ్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. ఎందుకంటే వెస్ట్ గోదావరిలో ఇట్లాంటి గ్రౌండ్ ఎక్కడా లేదు అసలు. ఈ కాలేజీ ఈ గ్రౌండ్ నమ్ముకున్న వాళ్ళకి ఎవరికైనా సరే చాలా మంచి పొజిషన్ లో ఉన్నారు.
On the recommendation of the PEET team, the executive committee of NAC was pleased to declare DNR College autonomous with the accreditation at the A level. It is one of the most significant achievements of management of DNR College Association, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and the student community at large. The college completed 65 years as a premier institute in the field of higher education and celebrated its Diamond Jubilee in 2006 to 2007. The DNR College has been developed to such a great level that it is not only one of the biggest colleges at the national level but also the most prestigious institution. The credit of it certainly goes to the committed management's dedicated staff and the students with the highest degree of discipline and backed by the grace of Almighty. DNR Kindergarten, DNR Primary, DNR English Medium.
Our management started an English medium public school of DNR Association in the year 78. I should thank the management, the students, the parents, and each one of them who have strived so hard for bringing out DNR to this form. And I wish this will continue for a long time, and DNR will be a branded mark of Andhra Pradesh. And for this, we are always proud that we are in the DNR Association, the family of DNR.
DNR Engineering College, DNR PG Courses and Research Center, DNR Management Studies, DNR Law College, DNR B.Ed College, DNR D.Ed College, Chintalpati Bapiraju High School.